This Outlaw direct fit muffler is constructed from 409S stainless steel and it's a direct bolt-on without any modifications. So if you're looking for horsepower and torque gains with an aggressive exterior and interior sound level without voiding emissions or voiding your factory warranty, then this system is for you. The kit includes all necessary parts and hardware and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.